Welcome back to AI Bell Vega. In this lesson, we'll use Python and Pandas to create, update, and analyze an anime character database. Let's dive in. The first thing we need is the Pandas library. Remember to install your terminal with pip install pandas. We'll create an anime character database that stores names, anime titles, and power levels. Let's display only the character column. This lets us view a specific part of our dataset instead of the entire table. Print animedv character. A data frame called animedv with some anime characters in it. Now we want to add a few new ones. We do that using .lock len animedv. This basically says add a new row at the next available index. Now that we've added our characters, let's print out the whole updated data frame. Next, let's check the structure of our data with .info. This tells us the column names, how many non-null values we have, and the data types. Super useful for catching missing data or wrong types before you do any analysis. What's happening here is we're first finding the max value in the power level column, then filtering the data frame down to just the row, or rows, that match that value. And unsurprisingly, it's Goku. Power level 100. No contest. What if we want everyone above a certain threshold, not just the single strongest? Let's filter for anyone with a power level of 95 or higher. This is Boolean filtering in action. Animedv, power level, greater than or equal to 95 creates a true/false mask for every row, and Pandas uses that to return only the rows where it's true. Let's rank everyone from strongest to weakest using _values. Setting ascending equals false flips the order so the highest power level shows up first, basically an instant leaderboard. Finally, let's pull some quick summary statistics on the whole dataset. Mean, max, and min are some of the most useful one-liners in Pandas. They let you summarize an entire column in a single call. Great for quick checks on your data.